So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys the way, I think the best way to install this miracle knot braid, okay, or the miracle knot hair, okay. If you know you want to reuse this hair again, because it's a human hair and it costs a lot. If you know you have the intention of reusing it again, please don't do it the way you see it on social media, please. It's a quick install the way you see it on social media, but taking it out, nobody tell you about it. You are going to damage a lot of this miracle knot if you don't take it out correctly. I know what I'm telling you from experience, okay? The best way I think to install this miracle knot is to do it the way we do boho. Please, if you know you want to restore this hair, you want to reuse it again because it costs a lot of money, please do it as boho. Don't do it the way they use crochet to crochet it into your hair, because taking it out, you are going to damage a lot of this hair and you can't reuse them like that anymore. You get it now? Please do it like this. I've done the other part and I know what I went through. I know how many strands of those miracle knots that I damaged. So now I learned from my lesson and I'm teaching you, I'm letting you guys know the best way to do it is this way, the way we do knotless boho braid, okay? And as you can see with this hair that I am doing here, I did not have any braiding hair. I braided her own hair because she got three packs, which each pack has 50 per pack. So she got 3 packs and I was able to install all 3. Okay, I started from the back with two of each, two